going to show you guys how to get started in FL Studio. Your layout should be about the same as this. Up here maybe a little bit different. But basically, if you don't know how to go around FL Studio and the names and stuff, it'll be a little difficult when you're asking somebody how to do certain things. So we're just going to go over, just very, very basic stuff about what things are called, where things are. And that'll be about it for this video. So first thing, what you need to know, your 5 main icons up here. This is your playlist. Everything over here to the left, anytime you highlight something, it'll tell you what that is. It's your playlist. That's this here. This thing keeps popping up and going away. That's where you'll place your patterns or your sound clips or whatever for your beat. Secondly, your step sequencer. And that's where your actual sounds will be at for each pattern. Piano roll, your browser, and your mixer. Down here is your pattern section, and that's where all your patterns for your beat will go. Audio clips up this way. It runs on a timeline. Alright, all your samples and your sounds will be over here to the left, which is your browser. To add the things, you find something you want. I have a whole bunch of stuff that you won't have on your startup kit or whatever, but just go to whatever pack and look for things you're wanting, different sounds, and then to add them, you'll just right click and send to a selected channel or open a new channel. Now what that means, if you open a new channel, click on your step sequencer, and there it is. You click the box, it opens up the channel settings. There's the sound wave of the pattern itself. If you send something to selected channel, this green light here, what'll happen is when you send it to selected, it goes to that channel. And there it is. Go through and add a couple things. You'll need, obviously, startups for a kick, a snare, or a clap, a hi-hat, or two, and that'll be how you get your basic drum loops. To place them, we'll just send a couple things real quick. To place them, you just click on the boxes, and if you notice, there's 4 of each color each time, because sound runs in a 4/4 time. So your claps, you typically always go on 3. See, here's 1, 2, 3, and 4. The start of each color is 1. Typically always go on 3. Your kicks will typically go on 1. So now you'll just have a basic. Alright. We'll go into making drum loops later in a different video, but this is just getting started. This is where your tempo's at. If your beat's too slow, like this, you just can't do anything with it. You kick it up. Kick it up as fast as you want. To get rid of things, you right click them. And that's pretty much it. To get rid of things, you right click and hit delete, and it'll delete everything off every single pattern you have. This is pattern 1. Now all it has is claps. To place them on your song, you click, 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 click. The paintbrush paints continuously. Right click to erase. Pencil does one at a time. And that's really all you need to know so far on that. Now to make a separate pattern, you click on the separate pattern right here. There's 1 and there's 2. 1 has the claps, remember. And 2 has nothing. See? So we'll add kicks to 2. And I deleted my kick. So let me find some kicks. Okay, now we have kicks. here. So we'll make a kick pattern. If you don't know, you can either click play here or hit spacebar to play and stop. Pattern that's on right now is just pattern 2, so we'll only play pattern 2. If you click song, you see how this pops up. Go back to pattern, song. It'll play everything on the timeline. So you'll make the second pattern, pattern 2, just kicks. Right now it's running a quarter beat. You kick it up to 4, see it's the same thing. Kick it to 8, it's twice as long. See it highlighting here. And up to 16. So then you can come through and make your kicks. And that's pretty much it for basically getting started on Fruity Loops. Now you know how to make sounds and put them places and hear what they sound like. So, alright.